It's E-Class. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today, guys, as you can tell by the title of the video, what this video is about, I will be working with the Profusion Glamourland palette again. This palette is a really nice palette. I've mainly been using it for like everyday looks, you know, doing like my little everyday makeup, nothing major. More toward along the line of what I got on right now. That's what I've been mainly using this for. But she asked could I pull out some more looks, and so I just pulled it out and just started brainstorming, and this is the look that I came up with. And I also came up with another look which will be more towards the end of the video. So guys, without further ado, let's get into this video. Before this video gets started, let me shout out Monique. I do not want to forget about the people that's helped bringing this channel up at all. I would like to say shout out to Monique. Thank you for the sub, Monique. I really do appreciate it.
White face on the Audemars, hood up in the fast car. Lamborghini going too far. Maserati curtain off, I'ma burn it off. Motorcycle and I'm skirting off. Pico power button, I'ma turn it off. Hockey club, iced out, Olay. I'm that fast car, so you know. Okay, the fast car, so you know. Pull up in a pink truck, bubble gum. With your lady and she bubble bone. Leg 11 and they got the double drum. Run up on me if you want, or boom. Lamborghini 2-door speed demon. Garbage man up on my Nicky freaky freezing. Blood up in a white coupe, ice cream scoop. Copper, get the trippin', yeah, it might be you. They might get fast. Now I'm pulling up in that S-Class. Hurt so hard, think I got whiplash. Maserati round the side, slim fast. Hey, all I wanna do is get cash. Hit him, look him, take a big nap. And I'll take your lady, it's a kidnap. You are not a rich man, that is big cash. My neck is changing colors, fruity pebbles. Inside my car is red level. Yeah, I'm all about that bass and a little treble. Slam up on your face, up in your space, I am a rebel. White face on the Audemars, hood up in the fast car. Lamborghini going too far. Maserati curtain off, I'ma burn it off. Motorcycle and I'm skirting off. Pico power button, I'ma turn it off. Hockey club, iced out, Olay. I'm that fast car, so you know. on your face up in.
Okay guys, so that is all for this video. Miss Lopez, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Guys, don't be afraid to share your comments and ideas down below, because I don't always have a look, you know what I'm saying? So that way I can brainstorm off of you guys' idea and come up with different looks. So yeah, comment down below, let me know what you guys would like to see, and if I can pull it off, I will. But yeah guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more videos. I'll see you guys in my next one, and may God open up the windows and pour you out of abundance blessings. And wash your hands and wear your mask. See you later.